Welcome. Today we're exploring information and communication technology, ICT. ICT means using digital tools to collect, store, process, and share information. From emails and the internet to smartphones and online learning, ICT is part of our daily life. In this video, you'll quickly understand what ICT is, how it works, and why it's important. ICT tools are all around us, making life easier and more connected. Think about the computer you use for work or study, the mobile phone in your pocket, or the tablet you use to read or play games. The internet connects us to a world of information, while email keeps us in touch with friends and colleagues. Even television and radio are part of the ICT family, delivering news and entertainment right to our homes. These tools are essential for modern living, helping us stay informed, entertained, and connected. ICT isn't just for work, it plays a huge role in our personal lives too. Online education and e-learning platforms make it possible to study from anywhere. Communication is easier than ever, thanks to emails, video calls, and instant messages. For entertainment, we have music, movies, and games at our fingertips. Online banking and shopping save us time and effort, letting us manage finances or buy what we need without leaving home. ICT truly makes daily life more convenient and enjoyable. The workplace, ICT is a game changer. It helps store and manage data, making record-keeping more efficient. Communication is faster, with emails and video conferencing connecting teams instantly. Preparing documents, spreadsheets, and presentations is simpler and more professional with ICT tools. Automation speeds up repetitive tasks, boosting productivity and freeing up time for more important work. No matter the industry, ICT is essential for modern business operation. Let's take a closer look at the computer system, the heart of ICT. Computer system is an electronic device that accepts data, processes it, and produces meaningful information. It's more than just a box on your desk, it's a combination of hardware, software, and the user. Each part plays a vital role in making the computer work smoothly. Understanding these components helps us use computers more effectively and troubleshoot problems when they arise. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. This includes the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and printer. Each piece of hardware has a specific job, whether it's processing data, displaying information, or allowing you to input commands. Without hardware, the computer wouldn't function. Next time you use your computer, take a moment to notice all the different hardware components working together. Software is just as important as hardware. It's a set of programs that tells the computer what to do. There are two main types: system software and application software. System software, like Windows or Linux, controls the computer's basic operations. Application software includes programs like word processors, browsers, and media players that help you perform specific tasks. Together, hardware and software make computers powerful and versatile tools. User is the person who interacts with the computer system. Without users, computers would have no purpose. Users give instructions, input data, and make decisions based on the information the computer provides. Whether you're a student, professional, or just browsing the web, you're an essential part of the computer system. Understanding your role helps you get the most out of technology. Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is often called the brain of the computer. It's responsible for executing instructions, processing data, and controlling all hardware and software operations. The CPU has two main parts: the Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU, which handles calculations and logical decisions, and the Control Unit CU, which directs all activities inside the computer. Thanks to the CPU, your computer can run programs, solve problems, and manage tasks efficiently. CPU does more than just process data. It executes instructions from software, manages the flow of information, and ensures all parts of the computer work together smoothly. Whether you're opening a file, playing a game, or browsing the internet, the CPU is hard at work behind the scenes. Its ability to handle complex tasks quickly and accurately makes modern computing possible. Memory is where your computer stores data and instructions. There are two main types: primary and secondary memory. Primary memory includes RAM, which is fast and temporary, and ROM, which is permanent and stores important instructions. Secondary memory, like hard disks and pen drives, is used for long-term storage. Understanding memory helps you know where your files are kept and how your computer remembers what to do. Let's break down primary memory. RAM, or random access memory, is temporary and fast but loses data when the power is off. It's where your computer keeps information it's currently using. ROM, or read-only memory, is permanent and non-volatile, storing instructions needed to start the computer. Both types are essential for smooth operation and quick access to data. Secondary memory is all about long-term storage. Devices like hard disks, pen drives, and CDs or DVDs keep your files safe even when the computer is turned off. This memory is slower than RAM but can store much more data. It's perfect for saving documents, photos, music, and backups. Knowing how to use secondary memory helps you organize and protect your important information. Every computer follows the input, process, output, or IPO cycle. First, data is entered into the computer input. The CPU then processes this data process, and finally the result is produced output. Storage is also a key part, saving data for future use. Understanding the IPO cycle helps you see how computers turn raw data into useful information step by step. Starting a computer is a simple but important process. First, you power it on, which begins the booting process. The operating system loads, getting everything ready for you to use. It's important to let the computer start up fully before opening programs or files. This ensures all systems are running smoothly and helps prevent errors or data loss. When you're done using your computer, it's important to shut it down properly. Close all programs and use the shutdown option instead of just turning off the power. This helps prevent data loss and protects your hardware from damage. Taking a few extra seconds to shut down correctly can save you from bigger problems later on. Peripheral devices are external gadgets you connect to your computer. Input devices like keyboards, mice, scanners, and webcams let you enter data and interact with your system. Output devices such as monitors, printers, and speakers display or produce results. These peripherals expand your computer's capabilities, making it more versatile and user-friendly. Input devices are tools that help you enter data into the computer. The keyboard lets you type text and commands, while the mouse helps you navigate and select items on the screen. Scanners and webcams allow you to add images and videos. Each input device is designed to make interacting with your computer easier and more efficient. Output devices show you the results of your computer's work. The monitor displays text, images, and videos, while printers create physical copies of documents. Speakers let you hear sounds and music. These devices are essential for getting information out of your computer and into the real world. ICT saves us time and effort in countless ways. It makes communication faster and easier, gives us quick access to information, and increases our efficiency and accuracy. Whether you're learning, working, or relaxing, ICT supports your activities and helps you achieve more. Embracing ICT skills is key to thriving in our digital world. As technology continues to evolve, ICT skills are becoming more important than ever. Mastering the basics, from understanding hardware and software to using ICT tools in daily life, sets you up for success. These skills open doors to new opportunities, make everyday tasks easier, and prepare you for the challenges of tomorrow. Keep learning, stay curious, and let ICT empower your future.